Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos at home. We'll cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to achieving that perfect melty, crispy texture. You'll learn how to layer your chips and toppings for maximum flavor in every bite. Get ready to create a delicious, crowd-pleasing snack or meal right in your own kitchen with these simple steps. For truly great nachos, your ingredients are key. Start with thick, sturdy tortilla chips that won't break under the weight of your delicious toppings. A blend of cheeses like cheddar and Monterey Jack offers both flavor and excellent melt. Don't forget your protein, whether it's seasoned ground beef or black beans, and fresh toppings like salsa and sour cream for that perfect finish. Now, let's get those nachos assembled. First, preheat your oven to between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with foil for easy cleanup. Spread a single layer of tortilla chips, then generously sprinkle with cheese and your prepared toppings. For loaded nachos, repeat these layers to ensure every chip gets some cheesy goodness and flavor. Baking is where the magic happens. Place your assembled nachos in the preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on them to prevent the chips from overbrowning. Once out of the oven, add any fresh, cool toppings like guacamole or sour cream, and serve your incredible homemade nachos right away for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.